During the integration, only directory or contact records that you choose to connect are linked and synced. Previous transactions already completed on current projects prior to integration will not sync over. However, this can be done after the integration is complete to update the financials between systems. We will discuss this in more detail later. These records include current employees, customers, vendors, current project names, and cost codes. Vendors and contractors are part of the same record list that sync together during the integration. However, they can be separated afterwards in contractor foreman in order to have proper syncing and integration. Any records that currently exist in both systems need to match exactly in name, spelling, and punctuation for the records to link automatically. Otherwise, unmatched records will need to be matched manually during the integration. It's best to let the integration copy the records over and fill in the missing directories. The integration allows you the options to create a new record, match current records between systems, or to do nothing so it won't sync or communicate going forward. After the integration is complete, all the records you choose to connect are linked and synced. The integration is a two-way sync between QuickBooks and Contractor Foreman and will recognize anything newly added, created, or updated going forward. However, as mentioned earlier, to update current project transactions from the system that holds more project financial records prior to the integration to make the financials match in both systems, which is most commonly from QuickBooks, is done after the integration records are connected through the process of updating an existing transaction. This process is only needed with current projects that are in progress during the integration. TO copy a current transaction from one system into the opposite system without creating a duplicate transaction. You must create a small change to a current transaction to make it copy as a new updated transaction to Contractor Foreman. Any modification to a previous transaction in either system will cause it to create a copy in the opposite system. However, the recommended method we use when transferring multiple transactions is by adding a dash behind a current transaction number in QuickBooks or Contractor Foreman, if newer to QuickBooks, or in an empty reference field. This will help you see where you left off in the transferring process if you have to step away. This small of a change will trick the system into thinking a new transaction or change occurred. The main thing to remember is that you never want to recreate a transaction that already exists in one system, as this will create a duplicate in the system it originated from. If a current project is ending soon and has many transactions, it may be best to finish it in QuickBooks to save time manually updating each record to copy.